Hey, what's up guys, this is Steeps and we're going to unbox the HyperX Cloud Stinger Core console gaming headset from HyperX, Kingston HyperX. Our friends from Kingston sent this over to us for us to test and for us to review. But first we're going to do an unboxing of this one. So let's get right into it. So of course we have this very simple box here. So let's start first with the front. So it shows off that the headset itself. It plugs in, I think, via 3.5mm jack. Oh, sorry for the glare. My lights it's pointing straight right down. And there's a control of sorts here. And then this one is for the PS4 and the PS4 Pro. So let's see how this will connect with other devices. Maybe it could, maybe it won't, but let's see. On the sides, of course, they're sponsors for various esports teams. So it's compatible with other devices. It just says here that. Let's zoom in a bit. So it's compatible with the Xbox One, Nintendo Switch, and mobile, but it says here that an adapter is required for Xbox One, and as long as it's compatible with 3.5, it's okay. So yeah, this will probably work with other devices. So most likely this will plug into your regular the port in the controller of the PS4, and then on the side it's the side of the headset. And here we have it says here it's console gaming optimized for comfort and convenience. I wonder what convenience means to them here in this particular setup over here. So it looks like it has adjustable headset, headband, and comfortable ear cups. So okay, let's unbox this already. I'm so excited to do an unboxing once again. It's been a long time. So if you've been subscribed to my channel, I've been doing some unboxing of speakers. Speakers are my thing. I really love speakers. Okay, I actually forgot to do the unboxing video for my PS4 Pro Gold Edition. It's been a long while since I did that video. I wasn't able to upload it. So here it is. Oh, silica gel. Do not eat. Do not eat. Let's put this my shoe boxes. Okay, so here are some cards. We have HyperX has you covered. Got issues with your HyperX product? Contact our experienced team for quick response and support. Okay. Do they have contacts here in the Philippines? Oh, they're just language. Well, we'll have to check that out later. So let's put this aside. Then some product card. Congratulations on joining the HyperX family. Okay, thank you. As passionate gamers ourselves, we sweat the details to make exceptional products, knowing you will notice the difference. Oh, okay. Yes, there's some slight difference. We'll cover the entire thing when we do the full review later. For now, let's just focus on unboxing this thing. So, got this card. Let's not get to the device yet itself. Maybe we missed something here. Here's the quick start guide. So, it's just plug and play, I guess. Inline remote, inline audio controls, mute and unmute, and volume up, volume down. Okay, so it's that simple. And yes, you plug it into the controller. Okay, so it's a wired headset. Yeah, obviously, Steeps, you already mentioned that. You saw that earlier in the box. Let's untie this wires, this twisty ties. Okay, so let's see over here. Okay, so it's a very simple packaging. It's just one item actually. So there's just the headset itself and nothing else. Everything's here. Everything's in this headset already. So let me put the plastic aside. We'll just throw the box aside first. Okay. So look here, what we have. I'm not sure what kind of material this is. It's not. Well, obviously it's not leather. It's some sort of, I don't know, some soft cloth. It's like no, not neoprene, but I don't know. But it's soft. Yeah, it's soft. But we'll see. We'll have to test that out. I've been having lots and lots of issues with headsets, of them being so uncomfortable. When I get to use them for quite a long time, they tend to hurt my ears. I guess my ears are very sensitive. But yeah, especially the leather ones. What happens there is that it's the headbands are tight, so it squeezes my ears very hard. So that's, you gotta, if you're gonna buy some kind of headsets like these, you need to adjust your headset. It shouldn't be too tight. Otherwise, it's gonna hurt your ears. And then, okay, so the microphone's here. Just prop it up like that. Can't remove it, I guess. Can you? No, you can't. So yeah. Oh, okay. So it looks fairly stable and decent. It's made of plastic all over, but the band in the supporting band here, it's steel, I guess. So that gives it a bit of flexibility. I have another issue with plastic headsets because when they bend, well, I guess it won't bend in these places. They tend to crack here. I have the PlayStation headset. It's cracked already here because it doesn't have this kind of support inside. So the plastic tends to crack in multiple points. So that's the PlayStation Gold wireless headset I was referring to. So, but this one, I think we'll see. Maybe in a long-term run, we'll update you. But I can probably review this for a week or so. For now, this is it. That's the unboxing. This is the HyperX core, Cloud Stinger core. And it looks fairly solid. I am really excited to test it out. It has supports here also, so that's good. I love supports all over, like your ears and the head. And it's actually, for a headset, it's fairly tiny. It's fairly compact. It doesn't look too big. It's just that it's plastic, so you gotta manage your expectations a bit. So that's pretty much it. That's a HyperX Cloud Stinger core. We'll be testing this out fairly soon. I'll be using this tonight. I'm gonna do some runs and I'm gonna do some gameplays. I'm gonna play some games. It's so unusual to say gameplay. I'm gonna play some games using this headset. Let's see how I sound, and maybe we'll do a review. I'll upload another review sometime soon. So that's it. Thank you guys for watching. That's the unboxing of the HyperX Cloud Stinger core from Kingston. Thank you for watching, and if you're new to this channel, please subscribe. Please subscribe to my channel. I would appreciate it. please help me reach 1,000 subscribers, so I could monetize this channel again. I used to monetize the channel, but I couldn't because they took away my monetization. So that's it. That's the HyperX Cloud Stinger Core. Thank you so much for watching. Leave a like, please. Subscribe to my channel, and thank you guys for watching.